Jy's ingeskakel op Goeiemôre, Good Morning. Ek is Arnold Geerts en ek hoop jou veters, hardloop skoenveters is nou vas want ek gesels met Miguel de Silva en Magda Grobler van die Magnolia Roadrunners, een van Pretoria en Suid-Afrika se gewildste hardloopklubs. En hulle gaan vir ons vertel hoe die klubs werk en hoekom jy dalk miskien by een sal wil aansluit. Welkom Miguel, lekker om jou saam met ons te hê. Magda, kom ons begin met hoekom is dit goed vir iemand wat miskien kom ons sê oor 'n paar jaar 'n Comrades wil hardloop of selfs net 'n paar padwedlope. Hoekom is dit goed dat hulle by 'n klub moet aansluit?
Ek dink dit is baie belangrik. Mens het soveel gemeenskap, ons noem dit in Engels community, en daar is soveel ondersteuning as 'n mens 'n klub lid is. En ek dink die kameraderie in ons klub is net ongelooflik. So ek kan dit vir enigiemand aanbeveel.
Dit was nog alle jare so met Magnolia. Miguel, it's interesting that you've run 4 Comrades already. How did you get involved with the club? Let's take us back to how you first heard of Magnolia.
Right, so I was part of a virtual club, and there I was struggling with motivation. I knew of a few people that were at Magnolia, and I thought, well, we're going to have to try it. Went for one run and got hooked. The community, everything, the motivation, it helps with everything, especially if you want to train, if you want to set a goal. There's always the people there.
And then the nice thing about it is also that then you get tips and help and training help from your clubmates who have been in it for a while.
Yes, yeah. We have one runner who's done 30 consecutive Comrades. So he knows everything that's going to happen, and you can just feed off everybody while you're doing your training runs.
En mens mag ook nie padwedlope hardloop in Suid-Afrika as jy nie aan 'n klub behoort nie of jy het nie 'n lisensienommer nie, dan moet jy 'n tydelike lisensienommer kry by die wedlope self. So dit maak dit makliker, nie waar nie, as jy by 'n klub is.
Te doen, op die oomblik is die lisensie, ek dink omtrent R220 of R230, maar as jy per wedloop 'n lisensie moet koop, gaan dit jou R70 kos. So as jy 5 wedlope gedoen het, dan het jy alreeds die lisensie betaal. So dit is die moeite werd om by 'n klub aan te sluit, beslis.
Sien dan dat jy nou oor geld praat, wat kos dit om by 'n klub aan te sluit oor die algemeen?
Oor die algemeen, dit is moeilik om te sê elke klub besluit sy eie fooie. So dit kan jou enige iets van R500 tot R1,500 kos. Party klubs sluit hulle klubklere daarbey in of die hardloopklere, ander doen nie. So dit sal afhang van watter club jy dan besluit om mee te gaan.
Miguel, you guys have also got your race coming up at the end of the month here in Pretoria. Tell us about that and how difficult it is to put a race together these days.
Sure, yeah, no, it's really difficult. So it's happening on the 31st of January. It's at Castlegate Shopping Centre. We're with Intercare. So it's a 21K, 10K, and then there's a 5K.
Right.
So we've got a variety for everybody. And yeah, there's so much less to go into a race. Magda knows more about it.
We need a lot of volunteers. So there's registration, there's marshalling. I don't think a lot of people understand how many people are needed.
The logistics of it all.
The logistics. And people who volunteer their time on the morning to come and assist other runners to have a good race.
For nothing.
For nothing.
Perhaps every now and then a T-shirt if you're lucky.
So now in that.
Miguel, I know that you had a very hard Comrades last year, and as we were saying earlier, what's in the plans for you and also for the club for 2026?
Yeah, we're focused on Comrades for the moment. Well, at the moment we're going to train up for marathons. We have 2 Oceans coming up, and then a few of us do Comrades. We are I think one of the biggest clubs in Pretoria that goes to Comrades. So for me personally, I have a marathon coming up, 2 Oceans, and then I'm still deciding on Comrades.
I hope that you do the right thing.
I know.
And run.
Yes, yeah, I'm going for the 5th. If I do, it's the 5th. I'm halfway to 10. I might as well
go for the green
just
number.
Go for it.
I hear you, and I hope you do. Magda, laastens, hoe kry mense vir julle in die hande?
Ons het 'n webblad, Magnolia Roadrunners, alles een woord, en ons is ook op Facebook en Miguel doen daai werkies. Ek dink ons het 'n Instagram rekening ook, en al ons kontakbesonderhede is op die webblad of dan nou op die sosiale
Uitstekend.
media.
Waardeer dit. Miguel, thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you.
Magda, baie dankie vir jou.
Thank you for having
Waardeer
us.
julle regtig en sterkte vir die res van die jaar.
Thank you.
So, that leaves you with a little bit of food for thought when it comes to running. Net hierna bevredig ons jou soettand en natuurlik dis saam met ouma Bets gebak.